is ASMR. I think it stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response or something of the sort. It is this tingling sensation you get when you hear like certain sounds, or when you get like the shivers down your back, kind of. I have my water bottle here. I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay. I probably look insane right now. I'm gonna have to adjust the sound so much in this video. I actually really don't like that sound, so I'm just not gonna do it. I'm sweating. Is this a protractor? I always get confused. The compass. Wait, this is the compass, right? Or is this, no? Yeah, this is the compass. And then this is the protractor. Wait, no. See, this is why I failed 5th grade math. Well, that's a joke, by the way. I did not fail 5th grade math. Good thing I didn't cut my nails recently. One side is blue, the other side is yellow. Wow. Okay. Oh, next we have this paper. Oh, okay, so I got my Sauconys a while ago, and they came in a box, and you know, boxes are cool. So we got this paper stuff, wrapping paper, that's what it's called. And then I saved these. Originally, I would have thrown these away, but I was waiting for this moment. You can see through this hole right here. Oh, these are the spare shoelaces. Now, for the box. This is not sponsored by Saucony, but if Saucony wants to sponsor me, hit me up. Oh, here we have a pace chart, minutes per mile. There's like a part for like 5K, 10K, half marathon, full marathon, date, time. You write your PRs on the box. That's pretty cool. This is the box that I got my ukulele in. I think I got it in like 7th grade or 8th grade. It was in middle school when I got it, and I kept it ever since just because I didn't want to get a case because I was too lazy. I kind of want to play something. Oh, that is so off tune. I'm just gonna tune it by ear. So, I don't know the chords for this. Actually, I could honestly pull it up right now. Let's do it. Okay. Dream of once in a Is this true? I'll watch them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I'm watching this lecture for my class right now. Alright, so now this is a stylus. I just brought my middle school yearbook. Wow, I got a lot of signatures. Actually, I can read some of these. Here we have Eden. Have an awesome summer. You are an amazing person, and I hope we'll see each other next year. From Tao. Great job in Math Olympiad. Hope to see you next year. From Jaden. Oh, here's a Spanish one. No creo que el año esté terminado. Te voy a echar de menos. Hasta pronto. Visítame cuando estás en CHS. That was my Spanish teacher. Alright, let's see. Eden, I'm so glad we became better friends this year and had history together. You're really nice and fun. I hope we have more classes with each other next year. From Raimi. Hags, I want to touch your hair again. So basically in middle school I had Dora hair, and like it was kind of like a bob. So like everyone would touch my hair because it would be like really poofy right here. And I don't know, apparently it was really nice to touch, but yeah. Oh, maybe there's more in the back. Oh, here's one from Katie. Dear Eden, I will miss you so much. You are such an amazing friend, and I hope we can hang out as much as possible over the summer. If we don't have any classes together next year, I will personally sue the school. So I think that's all I'm gonna do for this video. I hope you guys at least didn't have your ears blown out by my singing. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye bye.